Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be doing another repair video. This is an iPhone 8 Plus. As you can see, it has a glass back and then it has the cracked screen. Today is June 7th, so I'm going to go ahead and replace the glass, put the water seal on there, tempered glass, and he's going to get a case as well. So we offer everything, and as always I'm going to go ahead and start the timer and speed up the process and show you the final result. Hope you enjoy. And we are done. So brand new glass. This is the XF5 screen, which in my opinion looks better than the OEM. As I said in other videos, it has deeper blacks, deeper whites, and it's half the cost. So brand new iPhone 8 with the water seal. Go ahead and turn, I forget how to turn that on. Oh, I think it's because it's locked. So brand new iPhone 8 Plus in 17 minutes and 35 seconds. As I always say, if it can't be done in under 20 minutes, then it's free. So if you like an iPhone repair, battery replacement, charging port, even to unlock your phone to go to a different carrier, Final Cut Pro tutorials, Photoshop, even Samsung, we do it all. So if you have any questions, I'll leave a link in the description below to our website. Feel free to give us a call, email, we'll be happy to help you. And as always, thank you again for watching our video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video as well on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It always helps. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys shortly with more videos. See you soon.